Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how to appear offline on Instagram account. So what you guys have to do is, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So let's get in. So what you have to do is open up your Instagram app, log into your account. Once you're logged in, hit on your profile section, and there you guys can see on the top right side you can see three lines. Hit on that and then hit on the settings and privacy, and now you will be in the settings and privacy section. So what you have to do is scroll down, all the way down until you see the message and story replies. All right, hit on this button, and then you guys can see who can see that you are online, and you can see this button as show activity status. So what you have to do is hit on this one, and then you guys can see there are two options like show activity status, show when you're active together. All right, so what you guys can do is, you guys can just read out these two options. Whatever is up to your preference, you can just turn it off. But for me, for this course of this video, I'm gonna be turning all these off, all of them off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just turn it off, both of them, and then I'm gonna hit back into activity status. Right now, there is a second option as well, like how you can get into these settings. Is what you have to do is, once you are in the settings and privacy, just hit on this search tab and then type in activity status. So as you can see, the first thing appears is show activity status. Hit on that, and from here you guys can turn it off. All right, so these were two ways so that you can appear offline on Instagram account. So just for this course of this video, that's it for today. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.